we live? Are we live? Let's get it. Let me check and see. Make sure everything running smooth. Let's see. I'm getting ads. What's going on? What's going on? We doing some early morning. Okay, it's looking pretty smooth. All right. So we just doing some morning trading. Got some beats going in the background. We got TopStep up. We got some charts up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just be going over a couple pairs right now. Currently, I mainly trade gold. So we gonna look at gold first. I already pretty much have gold charted out already. Mainly looking for bullish movement on gold right now. As you can see, we're in an uptrend. I have this trend line going. I think I drew this trend line on the 4 hour, so it's touching these points right here. 1, 2, 3, kind of right here, 2, 4, 5, 6, and we're looking for something like this. We can put our fib tool. So projection would be right here. This is our profit target up there. It's at the 50% retracement right now. Support, turn resistance from this area, like I would say right here. So resistance turn into support. We had a break above that area, come back down. Now it's testing it, turning it to support. So I should be looking to get some entries here soon, not gonna lie. What I'm waiting for though, is maybe if we can get some retracement down to like this area. And if we can get something like, where's my draw tool at? If we can get something like this, and I can enter right here, that would be ideal. So something like that, enter on a lower high, get in right here, and we can keep on going to our target. So that's what I'm looking at right now. Delete that. So now trading is pretty much just a waiting game, bro. Like, you know, just wait. Market don't even open until 9:30. So this is just pre-market charting. Maybe you can look at some other pairs while we wait and see what gold is doing. Let's see. See what US 30 is doing. I think US 30 is still mainly bullish for the most part. We got this area right here. this. So yeah, I would say US 30 still bullish for the most part. Having a higher low right here, forming. Hey, how am I doing today? I'm doing good, Ryan. I think that's how you say your name. I'm doing good. Thank you for asking. Just doing some live trading. So yeah, I don't really trade US 30. Let me move my mic over here. I don't really trade US 30, but I know a lot of people do. What else can we look at? GBP, JPY. Look at daily. Something like this, maybe. I've been to subscribe to your YouTube ever since your name was inside the Great One. And you my idol. I look up to you for motivation. Appreciate it. Thank you for supporting. I have a lot of errors on YouTube. Been doing it for a long time, I feel like. Let's see. Low key, this may, because it's kind of in somewhat of a range right now. So it could do something like this and keep on bouncing and then go up. Or it could eventually do something like that. No problem. You're the greatest YouTube ever. 10 out of 10. Appreciate you. Every stream you come in here and show a lot of love. I appreciate it. So yeah, GJ, maybe we could be looking for some type of retracement down to this trend line right here. Yeah. It's looking like it's starting to break. Looking like it's starting to break these levels, and you can get something like this. Or maybe even until it hits this EMA right here, and then continue up. Let's check on gold. Let's see what gold doing. Maybe be able to get an entry here soon. Potentially it's 7:30 right now. I just want to see how this looks. Let's see what angle makes the most sense. like that. Let's look at it on the TopStep account. Let's see what it looks like on here. They can delete this box. I don't need it right now. I don't even want that either. I just need to know what I'm looking at right here in this area. So maybe we can get something right here. Let's see, what other pairs we got? USD, JPY, let's see. USD, UJ been pretty bearish recently. Been on a bit of a downtrend after reaching, I don't know if those was all-time highs, but it may have been. Let me see actually. No, it wasn't all-time highs for sure, but it's been highs for the past year in the 2000s. Last time it was that high was all the way back in 1989. So yeah, it was pretty high. But yeah, we're pretty bearish on UJ right now. We got this resistance right here. Go daily. Yeah, you can extend this all the way over here. Boom, boom. So yeah. Set the 38.2 retracement area. Exhaustion every time we get to this point right here. So yeah, I would say UJ is still pretty bearish at this moment. Could see a nice bounce from this area. Could be a nice maybe target these areas down there, something like that. USD JPY. Still waiting on USD JPY, waiting for this entry. This could be the day we pass this challenge. All I need is $1,200 more. We can do a $1,200 day, even if it goes to like he just needed to go to like 2,500. If we could target these areas. If we could target this right here, that's pretty much all we need. And go up to here, boom. That'd be it. Should I get in right now? 7:30. We can wait a little bit. Yeah. Yeah, we can wait. We can wait a tad bit. We got a couple people in here. Appreciate y'all, everybody in the chat right now that's watching. Hope you're enjoying the content. Let's see. A couple people trading as 100. Let's see what they got going on these charts. I would say pretty still bullish. And got this trend line that is respecting. Seeing some exhaustion on the 4-hour. With this area right here. Could do something like this maybe. These candlesticks look so weird. 38.2 retracement level. Could have had maybe like an entry, boom, boom, something like this. Good stop loss. Profit. Targets could be targeting these highs right here, and the next projection area would be like up there. Something like that. See, gold. Still waiting on gold. Let me tell these others. Let me see. Okay, Vanessa. Hey, yo, Don, what's good, Vanessa? Is my chat box coming up? Where is my chat box? Let me see. Oh, yeah, it's right there. I didn't know where I had it. I wonder, should I change it? I think I'll keep it right there. But yeah, what's good? What's good? Day one on the challenge. No. About 1200 off of passing it. I'm doing 3 different accounts right now, and I'm 51,800. I got about 1,200 until I can pass this. If you see my thing, yesterday I took a trade. I was going to trade live yesterday, but I just didn't have it set up to trade. So I took 3 trades. I did 2 trades. I was down 650, and then I took a trade for 1,400, which brought me to almost 800, 766 for the day. So ended that day positive. And then today I'm looking to do a $1,200 trade, it shouldn't be too hard. I'm looking for bullish on gold, so somewhere around this area. Like I said, if you're just joining the stream, profit targets are like at these highs right here. I don't really need too much out of the market today. I only need a little bit. Stops could be like somewhere between 1,000 and somewhere right there. So we don't need too much. What's going on, my boy Dill, my boy Kenzie in the chat? People, appreciate y'all for tuning in. Make sure to like the streams if you enjoying this trading content. Do more live trading. But yeah, so yeah, that's what we looking like right now. Just waiting on gold to give me an ideal entry opportunity. I'm not in any trades currently, but I'm just waiting. Market opens at like 9:30. Let me see, do we have any news actually? I'll look it up on here. Let me see. We can look and see, do we have any news? Let's go to W10 people in the chat. W10 people, make sure you hit the like button. Investing. All right, bet I trade after New York session open for sure. Yeah. Sometimes I like to get in a little bit before. I probably get in like around 7:30 to 9, around that time, or like 7:30 to 8, just because sometimes the entry opportunity will be like already happened. So by the time market opens, it's too late to like catch the move. You're too late for it. So honestly, I don't know where the news is for this jump, honestly. Like where the news things at. I think it's this. I don't normally use this app though. I normally use the other app. So I can't even see like a referral. Okay, so today. Is this today? Yeah. 45 minutes. Okay, core retail. This is like a red folder, I guess, right here. 45 minutes. Then retail sales. So we do have a little bit of news today. Shouldn't be nothing too crazy though. So stuff gonna keep on popping up. So yeah, low key entry may be presenting itself here in a second. I'm currently not in any trades, so I'm just waiting on gold right now. not in this trade. I just got this thing up as an example. Like I said, targeting these areas right here. Maybe if we could get like a bounce off of this, that would be ideal. So like, boom, boom. I sat through 2 minutes 30-second ads to help out this man Kenzie. W ads, man, get hit with the ads. Sub up, so you know, become a member so you can skip the ads. No, I'm just playing. But sub up, sub up. But yeah, so. Low key. This is looking pretty good. I may get in. Mine keeps freezing at the ads. Are you watching on desktop or mobile? You said keep freezing. Mike, next up. God bless you. Appreciate it. Oh, we got some hearts in the chat. Let's get some hearts going. Yeah, spam up the hearts. Let's see. Now you're on your phone. Okay, okay. So I don't know. I don't know why I keep freezing. What are the pairs we got to look at while we wait? What pairs do you trade, Vanessa? You say you trade New York session open. What pairs you be looking at? Let's see. I used to trade AU. That's a pair I didn't look at yet. AU is looking so nasty. It's been look at this tight. This is the daily time frame, and the candlesticks are this tight. This is crazy. But it is still bullish, but it's just some nasty work. Nice, 30 in gold. Okay, okay. Yeah, I think I looked at Nas and 30 earlier in the stream. Yeah, that's AU is just had to get away from that. Let's see what's 30 doing. I think I was bullish on US 30. I think we can see you got the higher low right forming right here. Then you may be able to see a push up. Same thing with NAS. We're seeing some seller exhaustion on the 4 hour. So we'll keep an eye on those. See what gold is doing. Almost 8 o'clock. When a 4 hour look like? When a 4 hour candle close? 2 hours. Gym and W Gym starting the day off right at the gym. Yeah, I'll catch you. All right, appreciate it. Let's see. What else we gotta look at? That's pretty much all the pairs, okay. That's XRP doing. What's going on with it? 219. We needed to see some movement on the XRP. Let's see. I've been laughing, I'm serious. They need to see some type of movement on the XRP. Time's at 7:55. Why did my session disconnect? Yeah, it's got you back in your purpose. This man. Okay, let's see. We can wait a little bit. Let's see. Making it an entry soon. No cap. We can wait a little bit longer. See how this candle close. This is 15-minute candle close in 4 minutes. Seeing a little bit of exhaustion. So let's see. 30-minute candle look like it may close with some exhaustion too. So we'll see. That man same on the purpose. Got the lofi beats going in the background. So we putting it in. Okay. If this candle closes like something like that, then we may have to get in soon. It's closing like that. Candle close in 2 minutes. Let's see. We want to see some type of exhaustion on this hour candle or something. I just want to say, you think any of crypto Trump said would be in the crypto security? What cryptos did he say gonna be in the crypto security? I'm not sure I seen that news. Yeah, I'm not sure. I'm not sure what cryptos he said he was talking about. Time is it 8? Okay. 4 hour having a bit of exhaustion. I don't know. This candle looking kind of crazy. Let's see. I don't even know what I have this here for, honestly. look at the economic calendar. Let me look at it's 30. It is looking pretty bullish, like I was saying. But gold, let's extend this trend line out some. Let's see. Maybe you can hit this area right here. Maybe you could go down here. Boom, boom. Like this. What is that? Let's see. We can start seeing some type of rejection of this area. Some type of lower high form right here. We can get in. ETC. Bitcoin's going crazy. this point, it's just a waiting game. Just gotta wait for the, like I said, market don't open until 9:30, so just gotta wait it out now. Look at this. This 4-hour candle. Low-key seen a touch. Let's see. Yeah, keep waiting for a little bit. See how this 15-minute candle close. Get this on the screen. This could potentially be the rejection we was waiting for, so let's wait and see how this candle closes. He's starting to get interesting. I don't like this 4-hour candle though. Time is it 8:20? He's starting to see something. Low key. See. Low key may get in a second. minute close. See, but actually, I think news come out at 8:30, right? Oh yeah. News come out at 8:30. Like it may want to still go down some more. I don't know. It's a waiting game. We just gotta see. Like I said, news better come out in a second though, low key. So that's why the market's starting to pick up volume. Okay. Yeah, maybe that time.
Order filled.
Let's see. Put stops. Actually, I don't want to put it. I don't even want to put stops right now. I just want to. I already got in at the close of that 1 minute. That would have been smooth. Let's see. It was the where we at, right? Hey, try this out. Right there, something like that. Let's see. If we can get the movement we looking for. 30 minutes. If the 1 hour close like this, should be good. think that's a pretty good entry. 5-minute candle close right there. News in 3 minutes. What a 30-minute look like. 30-minute candle close, 2 minutes. If it closes like that, that is a very good sign. And then we can target these areas up here. 5, 10. I need like I don't even need that much. I need like this. I don't know. Let's see. We'll see. We'll see. Don't got no more water. That time's it. 8:30. Yeah, news should have just came out. I don't really know what none of the numbers mean, to be honest, but let's see. How did a 30-minute close? 30-minute close with a nice exhaustion right there. feel like we should. He up 70 right now. It's fluctuating. So you just gotta wait some more. Like I said, markets still really don't open until 9:30. So just gotta wait and see. It should be a W trade though. 4 hour closing in an hour 25 minutes. If we can get some more bullish movement on this 4 hour candle, and then that'll be smooth. That'd be real smooth. Up 120 right now. 130. Like I said, I like monitoring on TradingView just because it's better for psychology, just because you don't see the numbers like moving and stuff. You just look at the price action. Like, try not to focus on the numbers, just try to focus on, you know, what you analyzed and seeing the trade being executed. I'm gonna get some more water, look here. See what these other papers doing. It's 30. always playing around. Did I get this on the wall? Let's get some bullish movement. Hold on, I need to get this jump. Probably better get some awards. Let's see. Got it. Okay. Doesn't go. I mean, nothing too crazy right now on that. I think the market just still haven't opened yet, so our New York session hasn't started yet, so still not gonna really see nothing crazy right now, I guess. $841. Dang, GJ. He had a crazy spike down, low key. I think that's when news hit. And when it took out all those lows and it went up. We had marked off GJ earlier. That's crazy. That always, like, that's like the worst feeling, like having, like, say if I had an entry like right here. Say if I had like an entry like right here. I forgot where I said we should enter at. But I don't know. Say we took something like boom. So you want to put the stops. Low key, you need like a 60. You need like a 60 pip stop loss on GJ. Low key. Yeah, that would have been crazy. What's going on with gold? This is wicked. UJ kind of did the same thing, but it still stayed within the parameters. Had that wick down, then kept going up. That's why I low-key had to, well, indices, they do it too. And jump like this, they do it too, I'm not gonna lie. Almost 9 o'clock, so we can finally get the session open, bro. UJ though, low key, it's kind of like at a little support. Well, it's in consolidation right now. It's just in this little area, but overall, I would still say it's more bearish than bullish until it breaks like above this high right here. So 850. They keep on testing this area right here. $30 about to close in 8 minutes. Hopefully we get a little higher low, close with some exhaustion, and we just see a bounce. That's really all we need. Hey, if 5 minutes can close like this, that'd be cool. Probably gonna go get some water here in a second. 30 minutes at the close. 15-minute better close, nice exhaustion. This is the type of stuff we want to see. And then we can get that push to the upside. So let's see. Candle's about to close in less than 5 minutes. US 30 going down is good for gold because they're kind of an inverse pair. So if US 30 is going down, gold should be going up. What the heck? Why is Doge the only thing that got a animation popping up on the screen like that? That was crazy. Did y'all see that? I was not expecting that. That's why I clicked off. Doge got some type of trickery going on. That's crazy. They got stuff popping up on the screen. I want to see if it pop up again. I don't know how I did that. It didn't go open that. Gold, let's not be on no BS, please. All we need is a simple move. Market, well, it don't open in 1 minute, but I mean, yeah, 1 minute, but market starts moving around 9 o'clock going into session open. So maybe we'll see some movement, some more rapid movement. 30-minute close with some nice exhaustion. Hopefully we see some bullish movement. Let me see how the hour close actually. Okay. Hour close, little exhaustion. 4 hour. I think the 4 hour, yeah, the 4 hour close in 1 hour. I think. 4 hour candle just a doji right now, so let's see. What beat is it? Done kind of smooth. Gold just playing around right now. Okay, maybe we can see some movement. W8 people in the chat, man. Let's get some likes in the chat, likes in the video. Enjoying this trading content, first time trading live. Yeah, this is what the TopStep looking like. I think this is a W trade personally. Gold just gotta stop playing, but we will see. get that push. We just need that push up, bro. We don't need too much out the market, especially not today. Just need a quick 1200 and we'll be out. I'm gonna probably that one get some water. Do we have any more news today? I don't think we have any more high impact news today. We do have something at 10 o'clock or in 7 minutes. Then something at 10 o'clock. Okay, seeing something. We have 170, 175. I literally just need to like right here, or maybe like right here. Quick look. Did you supplement your entire income in Thailand doing this? I trade and I do YouTube, or well, obviously you know I do YouTube, but money from YouTube, yeah, plus savings that I already had from working a job, you know, before I left Thailand. So yeah. It don't take much to live over there, guys. Like, literally, you could have $6,000 and be straight for that whole year. If you have $6,000, well, not for the whole year, but maybe for like $6,000 could get you, if you had a rent that was like $200 a month times 12, you do $2,400. So then you still got like $4,000 to spend on other stuff, and that can get you pretty far over there in Thailand. So Yeah, you don't need a crazy amount. And then if you still earning money while living over there, then it's even better. I'm about to go get some water real quick. Y'all watch the charts for me. Let's see, we still moving in a positive direction. W11 viewers, if you just tuning in, we just doing some live trading, man. Currently we are up 200. I am only need like 1,000 more to pass my trading combine, so hopefully we can pass it live today. Let me show y'all my stats again. So total P&L, profit and loss 1,800. We got profit factor 2.34, meaning that I profited more than lost. Listen guys, in trading, bro, in trading, the win trade percentage does not matter. The only thing that matters is, are you winning? Are your wins outweighing your losses? So with this, like, this is what you want. You want your profit factor to be a 2 or above, just like in Call of Duty. When you play in Call of Duty, if your KD is a 1, that means you just an average player. You're not too good, you're not too bad, you're going even. You feel you're going 12 and 12. But when you get to that 2 KD status, that means you going 12 and 6, you going 20 and 10, you going 150. That's not that good, but you get what I'm saying. So the better this is right here, it doesn't matter. You can lose 5 trades in a row you can lose 5 trades in a row losing $10. Then that next trade, that 6th trade you take, if you gain $100, now you already still up $50. You get what I'm saying? And those other 5 trades that you lost, they don't even matter anymore. So don't worry about the win percentage and all that. Just worry about, are you averaging more than you losing, and just the profit factor. So this is my win chart, monthly P&L. At the beginning of the week, I had a $671 win, took 1 trade. The next day, I had a $697 loss. I took two trades, so I was down $26 for the week. Pretty much break even. Next week, I took 2 different trades, but they was the same, like in the same time span, $1,000. These 2 days I was traveling, so I did not get the trade, but the market did make some good moves. I just didn't get to trade those days. Yesterday I did trade, like I said at the beginning of the live stream. I did trade. However, I didn't have my live set up. And today, right now, we are currently in the trade that I was showing y'all, and we are up 275 right now, currently 285. So yeah, man. So hopefully if I can get this $1,200 day, like I said, we only need the market to go to this part right here. If we can get the market, if the market can do me a solid, if the trading gods can do me a solid, and we can get like 23 points, that's all I really need, man. Times at 9:17. So market open 9:30. Hopefully at market open we get some more bullish momentum. We starting to see momentum pick up a little bit now, but we want to see more. We want to see more. Good close on a 15-minute. That's nice. I guess we can watch. We'll watch it on TradingView for a little bit. Four-hour candle close in 41 minutes. Sometimes I like to hide the EMAs and stuff just so I can clearly see where the price action is going. So yeah, like I said, all we need is just need a little bit, man. Not asking for too much. Not today. We not asking for too much today. Oh, my thing. Dang, y'all didn't even tell me. My thing. Camera is blocking the price. There y'all go. So there goes the price right there. And y'all can also see it up here too. I think some news. When that news supposed to be coming out. 350, 360. up 2 hours. We just hit the 2 hour threshold. W 2 hours. Do we have news? Look at the news. We got news in 5 minutes. News in 5 minutes coming up. Let's see, let's check over here. What's going on? UJ. Nothing crazy. GJ. AU. That was US 30. Just trying to make sure I got the calculations right. News in like 8 minutes. Oh wait. Oh, the news is at 9:15. Oh, so it passed already. I could have sworn we had some other news coming up though. Am I tripping? I should put this on my post on my Instagram. Live trading. Let's see. Going crazy. Let's see. Let me get the link. the story. Get some people in here. Let's see, do we have any more? I don't think we got no more news though. Well, it's something like 30. Yeah, we do have another one at 10 o'clock. That's right. And market about to open too, 9:30. So let's see, can we get that push we looking for at 9:30? Take us over the edge. Let's see. One minute till market open. We want to see bullish movement, bullish movement. That's what we want to see. All right, now let's don't start. We want to see a continuation of this bullish movement. We are currently up to once again, if you just joining us, we only need to get about 24 points to pass this trading combine. We almost there, man. So hopefully today will be the day that we pass and we can start doing. And I have trading 3 different accounts, copy trading 3 different accounts. So chaos. Let me put my camera at the bottom. Probably that may be better to just put it right there. Let's see, can we get some movement, positive movement, WWWs in the chat. Let's spam up the W's, spam up the W's. Put the pray hands in the chat. That's all we need. Why is this junk so big? All we need is like, I want to calculate exactly how much we need though. Good luck. Appreciate that, Gabe. Let's see. 5, 10. What's 5 times 2.5? I don't even need 2.5. 5 times 2.2. I need like 23. I need like right there. I'm too emotional for trading. I just sell cover calls on my position for extra. Yeah, man, it's trading, you know, it's not for everybody. You know, some people, the psychology is the main part of trading, honestly. Like just getting on here and marking up a chart, like that's the easy part. Anybody can mark up a chart, but once you in the live markets and the price is moving, there's no telling what can happen, man. So that's when you emotionally, psychologically, you got to be there to trust your analysis, trust what you traded, but also just, I mean, honestly, having your trading plan and just having a stop loss. So it's like, you know how much you gonna lose if the trade does go wrong. You know what I'm saying? So it's not too bad once you think of it like that. Like it's not a mystery on it's not a mystery on how much you gonna win and how much you gonna lose. You know what I'm saying? Like it's you have your trading plan and you just execute. But yeah, it's definitely not for everybody. I know, trust me. But the potential for trading is so high that, I mean, like it's one of the best things you can get into if you ready for it. He said I don't like following rules. Well, that's tough. That's tough, man. He said I don't like following rules. Come on, we were seeing some good. We were seeing some good momentum upwards. Let's keep that up, keep that up. I don't even want to see the EMA right now. Don't start. Gold. Lock in before I tweak out. $3.90. Bro, we just need a little bit of volume, bro. Maybe at 10 o'clock. For some reason, I like analyzing on TradingView more. I don't know. US 30 had some good moves. Okay, took a bounce off that. Boom, boom. Let me see. Yeah, okay. I low-key had that marked up too perfectly. Bounce off of the backside of the trend line. Bro, what is gold doing, bro? At times, is the news about to come out, man? Ain't news about to come out. Okay, at 10 o'clock, the market do be moving. Like around this time. A lot of volume kicking to gold for some reason around this time. I should have been posted on my Instagram that I was live. I didn't even think about it though. Appreciate y'all. We got 12 people in here. Be sure to like the video. You want to see some more live trading, and I also marked up some other pairs as well. Right now we're trading gold, trying to pass this combine. Maybe I'll show the thing one more. Well, yeah, I'll show it real quick. Actually, I just want to make sure everything looking sturdy on the charts before I just start doing random stuff. But yeah, so up 1800 on 3 different accounts. I'm doing 3 different accounts. All I need is see. Oh wait, that's US 30. So I about to say. Okay, yeah, we sturdy. How about to say, bro? As soon as I switch screens, it start going down. But yeah, 3 accounts up 1800. I only need 1200 $1,200 more dollars, and we can pass this combine, and then we can get to trading the real stuff, man. So this is the monthly, what you call it, monthly profit chart, profit and loss chart. Did 600 yesterday. I took a I was down first 2 trades. I was trying to do some longs, and then I lost 650, and then I recovered it, made 1400 with the next trade, and that brought me to 766 for the day. Last week I did 1,000. I was coming back from Thailand, so I didn't trade those 2 days. Honestly, I could have been past it if I was trading, because it was some nice setups on those days. And then right here is today, so it's what we looking at today, man. Hopefully, I think it'll hit today. We just need a little bit of momentum. It should probably come in around 10 o'clock, most likely. 10 o'clock, we'll probably see some momentum. Bro, gold don't start, bro. $9.45. Bruh. Gold is trolling. Yo. Yo. Go be on one, bro. How long we been live? 2 hours 30, almost 2 hours 30 minutes. I think we got news, some type of news at 10 o'clock. That type of candle is not what we want to see. We don't want to see no exhaustion. Kiki, where am I? I am in the States right now. Back in Georgia for a little bit. But I will be returning to Thailand. Go trying. $10 minutes, I think, is news coming out in 10 minutes. I don't think it's no red folder like any heavy news though, so I don't really know. what the possibility could be. It's 30 going back up. I don't even want to put my junk at break even though. I think we'll just monitor it manually. I think we just gotta be patient with it. Got news in 6 minutes. Or I thought 6 minutes. Guess not. Still seeing some exhaustion though, so those are good signs. Yeah, seeing this right here, that's a good sign. So higher low, higher low, higher low. Still should be in good shape. Candle's about to close in 5 minutes. appears to be on the up and up right now. Minutes. Hour candle about to close. It's closing with some exhaustion, but I don't know. Things still look pretty decent right now. So let's see. See how this candle close. Some exhaustion. I don't know. Seeming like it may not have enough bullish momentum right now. I don't know. Not so big. Oh, the 4-hour candle closed too. can I buy? Can you buy what? What are you trying to buy, Kiki? I don't know, man. I want to see some more bullish momentum kicking in. Yes, 30. Nice. Gold had a great move yesterday. It's looking like it don't want that momentum, bullish momentum right now. Let's see, now it's starting to shoot down. If it break these lows, I may just get out because that means that it's gonna try to go lower. So we'll see. If this can retrace a little bit, then we may be straight, but let's see. Had to sneeze. News coming out too. Yeah, like I said, if it go News coming in 3 minutes. I don't know if it's gonna be high impact. It's not really high impact, I don't think. But we'll see what the market do. He's having some retracement. That's a positive sign. News come out in 1 minute. Okay. Let's have some more news drop. Okay, good retracement going. Maybe we can see some momentum, some bullish momentum going in the positive in the way we want it to. 15-minute close in 4 minutes. If the 15-minute close like this, then we're still good. This is a tight area, so I don't know. We expected more bullish, faster kind of reversal than this, but I say once you get in the trade, it's nothing you can do other than just monitor what's going on. So can't control the market. I low-key hate buys too. Like, I feel like selling is way, I don't know. Selling is way better. Buys are always skeptical. It's like the buy setups always look worse than the sell setup. But 15-minute close in 2 minutes. Let me like my own video. We almost going live for 3 hours. see how this 15-minute gonna close. It's not a good close. It is not a good close. If it go like it don't look like the it look like it don't have the bullish momentum for this area. I don't know. M30 looking like that. You may see a continuation of the downtrend. Like I said, until we maybe hit this, it may want to hit this trend line, bounce off of that, then go up. But I don't know. Like I said, it keep playing around this area. That's why it's like, I don't know. It's a longer trading day, live trading than I expected. US30 had a cool move. Gold just don't want to give us no momentum today. have any more news? Not really. It's really just staying in this area, bruh. Alright, I think. See, this is why I never really live traded like that, because I know trading, bro, it can take so long sometimes. Let's see. Where you learn to trade. What's the name of this site? This is just TradingView right here. So this is where I analyze the site. I mean, analyze the charts. And right now I'm trading. I'm doing a TopStep combine right now. We was up a little bit right there. Like I said, if this junk, matter of fact, while I'm right here, let me change it, because I don't know if we gonna see the bullish momentum that I was expecting today. Like I said, we analyzed earlier. We're looking for something like this on gold. It's at the 50% retracement level. And all I need to pass the combine is I need like 23 points, and that's it. But I don't know if we gonna get that push today. So I don't know. I'll just leave my stop loss right there for right now. So we down like $15. We was up around $500 at one point. But it's just a waiting game, so not too much we can do. That's my charts. Acting weird. Yeah, actually, let me see, bro. Because of this junk go. And I don't think we gonna get that push today. I may move my whatchamacallit. I'm down like 2. We may not get that push. So you just analyze on trading view, or you actually trade. Explain how you start trading. Analyze trading. Trading view is just the platform. You can trade directly on the platform. I don't trade on it. Normally I trade using KOT. This is what I use for live accounts. KOT for it. This is the broker I use. Oh, wait. Let me see, bro. I think my jump probably got hit low key. Yeah. I think I'm out to trade now. Oh no, I'm not. It's about to be. Yeah, it's not. It's not giving me the bullish. Yeah, it's not giving me that bullish movement that I was expecting today. I think it may continue to go down. Maybe touch this trend line and go back up. Maybe, I don't know. Or where my junk at? Or like touch these EMAs and then go up. But let me show you. So basically, where do you invest your money? I'm trading KOT change day. What you call it? Where do I invest my money? I mean, I don't have like a specific like investment portfolio or nothing like that. And what exactly are you trading? This is gold right here, XAU USD. I trade gold mainly. I used to trade Forex, but now I don't trade it no more because the Forex markets are a little like look at AUD USD. It's just a lot of sideways movement. So you did have to put money out to start. TopStep is a platform. It's a prop firm, futures prop firm where you can get funded once you pass the evaluation phase. So this is TopStep right here. It's $50 for a $50,000 account. Once you get $3,000 in profit, you can get a funded account and then start trading. Or, like I said, this is a live account where it's not a prop firm. You put your own money into it and then you can trade from there as well. But I think I'm about to end off because gold is kind of just consolidating today. Not too much movement going on. I may take a trade later, but if I do, I probably won't be on stream for it. So what's your thoughts on KOT Forex? It's good. That's what I use for my live account. I have an account with them. But yeah, I'm probably about to end. I appreciate everybody for coming in. We probably had like a good 12, 13 people peak at one point. Got some live trading content, so hopefully you guys enjoyed. Maybe I'll stream tomorrow, but I don't know. This live streaming is just takes a long time. But we'll see. But appreciate y'all, man. Let's see.